Singapore Math Comparison Model Part 2. How to find the larger quantity. To find larger quantity. So the formula will be larger quantity equals to smaller quantity plus your difference. So quick recap on our comparison model. So usually you have your A and B. One of it is your larger quantity, another one will be your smaller quantity. So example, this is your larger quantity, smaller quantity, here will be your difference. Okay, so what we want is we want to find your larger quantity itself. In this case, over here, larger quantity. So in order for us to find larger quantity, you need your smaller quantity plus your difference. A quick sample question for us to go through to better understand this concept itself. So example question, we have Jack has 7 marbles. Amy has 3 more marbles than Jack. How many marbles does Amy have? So when you read the question, how do you identify this question to be this type? So how do you identify this question such that you are actually finding the larger quantity itself? So first, the question says that Jack has 7 marbles. Keyword over here, Amy has 3 more, and they are asking for Amy. So in other words, they are actually asking for Amy marbles. And you know that Amy, she got more marbles than Jack itself. So how do we draw this model? J represents Jack, A represents Amy. So Jack has 7 marbles. You can draw over here. These are 7 marbles. You know that Amy has 3 more. So Amy, you can draw exactly the same as Jack. And then you got your 3 more. Okay? So if this is 7, here is also 7. So how many marbles does Amy have? You use your smaller quantity, which is 7. So Amy smaller quantity, which is 7, plus your difference, which is 3. So you have 10 marbles. 10 marbles. Okay, so very quick recap. If you want to find your larger quantity, okay, it will be smaller quantity plus your difference. Okay, in this case, 3 is your difference. Smaller quantity is your 7. Okay, let me just put it properly. This is your smaller quantity. Over here, so smaller quantity. Do click on the subscribe button so that you'll be notified once part 3 of the comparison model video is out.